Got a groundbreaking idea for a product? Wondering how it evolves from a mere thought to a market sensation? Today we will talk about the concept of Product Lifecycle Management, or PLM, as an abbreviation. We will also talk about how the concept of PLM as it relates to manufacturing. Welcome back to the Manufacturing Nerd YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about other topics of manufacturing, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. PLM isn't just about buzzwords, it's about guiding your product's journey to success. Let's unpack each stage with its key considerations. First, concept and design. This is the birth of your product idea. It's fresh, it's exciting, but it's also delicate. Investments pour in, but returns? They're just around the corner. The important considerations are: 1. Idea validation. Is there a genuine need for your product in the market? 2. Feasibility study. Can the idea be turned into a tangible product from a manufacturability perspective? 3. Initial budgeting. What's the financial blueprint for this stage? For example, what is the initial R&D cost and cost per unit? Second stage, growth and development. Your product's gaining momentum. As it develops, sales increase, and your product begins to capture the market. It's really finding its stride now. The important considerations are: 1. Optimized production. Are you maximizing efficiency while maintaining quality? 2. Market analysis. Who's your target audience, and what do they want? 3. Feedback incorporation. How can early user feedback shape the product better? Third stage, maturity. Your product is at its peak performance. Well established and trusted. But, with great success comes competitors. The trick? Innovate and stay ahead. Now the important considerations here are: 1. Diversification. Can you introduce variations of the product to cater to a wider audience? 2. Cost management. How can you optimize production costs to maintain profitability? 3. Competitor analysis. What are others doing, and how can you stay ahead? Fourth stage, saturation and decline. Every star dims eventually. Sales might decrease because of newer technologies or changing trends such as macroeconomics or customer preference. This is the crossroads: innovate or gracefully retire. Now, as you think about the next iterations of the product, there is the concept of multi-generation product development. We will cover this in a separate video. The important considerations are: 1. Innovation. What new features or technology can re-energize the product? 2. Market reassessment. Has the target audience or their needs changed? 3. Exit strategy. When and how should the product be phased out, if necessary? Final stage. End of life, or EOL for short. The final curtain call. It's time to withdraw the product, either due to reduced demand or it's simply being outdated. But remember, endings pave the way for new beginnings. The important considerations are: 1. Resource allocation. How can you efficiently redirect resources to newer ventures? 2. Legacy planning. How will the product's end impact brand image and customer loyalty? And 3. Disposal strategy. If it's a physical product, how will it be recycled or disposed of responsibly? The essence of PLM is fundamentally insightful planning. It equips manufacturers with the tools to predict, plan, and pivot as needed. Manufacturing isn't just about creation, it's about guiding your product at every twist and turn. With PLM, you're not just reacting, you're strategizing for success. So, as you steer your next product idea, use the PLM framework to maximize your chance of success. And that is a wrap. If you find this video helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.